Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video I'm going to be filming an unboxing for a short format video, but I also figured I could vlog this for YouTube as well. This is the first package I've ever been gifted, and it's a big one because it is my first ever solar power station. It doesn't have the solar panels yet, but I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys and show you what it is, and also stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm doing a giveaway where you guys could win one of what's in this box. But I will include more of those details later on because I'm very excited and I want to get to unboxing. I got this package delivered to my work office over in Las Cruces, and then I drove over to Tucson for the weekend. Some of you guys might recognize this setting. I filmed a vlog here in this RV a few months ago, but today I'm here and I'm going to finally unbox the most exciting package I've probably ever received. This power station is by the company Yoshino Solid State Power. It was not a company I had ever heard of before, but I found them on Instagram and I loved the way that their power stations looked and the style to them. So I reached out to them and here we are! Ah! Anyways, I'm also filming for short format and I feel like that's gonna take forever to get all the different angles. Let's get started! I'm also eating a salad and a chicken shawarma plate. Oh, you can see it in the background. Amazing. From Urban Pita in Tucson, if you know what Urban Pita is. And then I'm also drinking a Four Peaks Brewing Company beer. Actually, give me that. Alright. Let's get that first angle rolling. Okay. Oh my goodness, the anticipation. Woo! Okay, guys, I'm not ready. Oh my goodness. Now I feel like I gotta change up the angle just to keep people's short attention spans attentioned. Is that a verb, attentioned? I don't think so. I think this is what people fail to realize about short format video is like you end up taking so many angles. It's so much work. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, we got a different angle. Oh no. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is real! This is crazy, you guys. Maybe move one of the lights over here. Nice. Okay. Okay, switching tripods, switching angles. I'll get better at this as I go. I just feel like this is the first package I've ever received, and so I'm like, shit, how many angles do I gotta do? You know? Okay, we got a little thank you note. It's probably not personalized, but thank you for joining the Solid State Evolution. This is really cool. This is like a really small company. Quick start guide, that'll be useful. User manual. 5-year warranty. That's pretty sick. Maybe I won't. Oh. There we go. Okay. Nice. Then we have these two little boxes. What is this? AC to DC recharging. So this is like the standard wall outlet so that I can recharge it. What's this? Oh! Sorry guys, I just realized the focus wasn't manual. Continuing on. This package has the cigarette car lighter charger and then the thing to charge it via the solar panels if I have the solar panels, and then a different car charger outlet. I don't know. Oh my goodness, it's real! Okay, now I think I'm gonna move this angle to the floor. Right, okay. That'll work. Maybe get the flash going on the phone. Oh, where's the flash, bro? Oh, come on. No, I don't want flash if you want. I want the flash on. Hell yeah, that looks dope. Okay. Get the plastic off. Okay. Oh, she's so pretty. To protect the battery, charge the unit to 80% every 36 months during the long-term storage. Long-term storage, huh? Oh my god, I can't believe this is real. Okay, I got the short filmed. I'm kind of upset that it was in manual the whole first section of that video, but there's nothing I can do about that now. I think what I'm gonna do is plug it in. Since I can, and I'm at my friend's RV, and he has hookups. Oh shit. Okay, let's see. Oh, you guys can't even see it in the video. I just realized that. Ah! That's hilarious. Okay, well, I'm gonna move the camera and do the big reveal. Okay, wow. It's real. I'm very excited to put this thing to the test on my travels. It's pretty heavy. I'm not really sure where it's going to go in my car, so stay tuned for an updated car tour. But this is really going to be a game changer. I'll be able to charge my laptop while I'm out in the forest, so I can do computer editing work while I'm out there. The next thing I need to figure out is Wi-Fi, but that's later me's problem. For now, I'm just excited to have more power and the ability to charge my phone and not have to worry about my phone dying and not being able to charge it unless I run my car indefinitely. So I'm very excited to have this. I think it will make me realize just how much my life revolves around going places where I can charge things. As far as charging this, it says that it takes 4 hours using wall power to recharge, and 6 hours or 6.5 hours to recharge using the solar panels if you have the solar panels. The solar panels are like a $300 addition. If I really enjoy this, I might invest in those so that I can keep it charged even away from society. That is a huge step in the direction that I want to go with my life. So this just feels like such an amazing gift in the right direction. So, and remember, if you are interested in winning one of these Yoshino power stations for yourself, make sure you check out the post over on my Instagram that has all the details on how to enter to win one of these exact power stations. This is the B660 model, which comes with 3 DC outlets compared to 2, which is what their other smaller unit comes with. And yeah, make sure to subscribe down below to my channel to see me use this throughout my adventures, see what my real, raw, honest opinions are, because they're not paying me to talk about this. They just sent me one and told me I could do a giveaway and give you guys one for free just to kind of get the word out about this newer company. So make sure to stay tuned to see how I use this unit, and I appreciate you guys for checking out this different but fun video. If you stayed all the way to the end, make sure you comment down below what other products should I know about for the outdoor camping world. What do I not have already that I should email someone about? I appreciate you guys for sticking around to the very end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!